Good morning, AgEcon students, coming to you live from my kitchen and wanted to record at home today just in case the internet crashed at school. But today's going to be a pretty low-key day. A lot of you actually know how to use the website that I'm going to be teaching you about, but I still want you to pay attention to know what we're doing because it's very important that we're all set up in the correct way. So yesterday and Monday, you guys should have worked on days 1 through 3 of the marketing bootcamp. I'm going to ask that you finish those up if you have not done those already, and we will go back to Marketing Bootcamp Day 4 at the end of the week, okay? So the website we're going to be using is called AET, and this is what we're going to be utilizing to log all of our project hours for the duration of the course, okay? So how to log in, you're probably wondering, is you click on this yellow login button. You go to theaet.com first as your website, and I'm going to log in as one of your classmates. So your school ID, as you can see here, is going to be MN0246, all capitals, and your username and password should be the same. It should be the first letter of your first name and your full last name, all lowercase, so A. Arundel for Andrea, for example. Then you'll log in, and you should see a screen that looks something like this. Okay. The first thing you're going to do is going to be to go to this profile button. I want you to click on the manage and edit your personal profile and password, and I'm going to make this a little bit smaller, okay, like this. And you want this basic profile to be 100% complete. So you need to edit the information on this page until it gets to be 100% complete. So if my memory serves me correct, that is basically going to be your address and your basic personal information that I already have access to in Skyward. But you need to set up your profile in order to access the other areas of your application or your work. So you do not need to do personal and parent contact info. That can be 40%, but your basic profile must read 100%. Okay, so that's the first part of the assignment. The second part is go back to profile. And then you're going to click on Project Experience Manager, SAEWBL, or Work-Based Learning. You're going to click on that for me. And then you're going to click, some of you may have nothing here, some of you may have a lot here. I want you to click Add New. Okay. This is the project that you're going to have throughout the semester. So you're going to call it something like AgEcon Greenhouse Project or something to that effect. Okay. Your experience focus is individual. Your tracking your experience, it's going to be foundational. Primary experience category and subcategory are also going to be foundational. Okay, so that's the second part. You're going to hit save, and boom, you have AgEcon Greenhouse Project there. My other thing I'm going to say is I want you to capitalize the name because it's a noun, it's a proper noun. So AgEcon Greenhouse Project in caps works. Okay, then you're going to start going back and logging the hours we've spent on this project. You are to log every day that you spend working on this project in AET so I can keep a running tally of how much time you're investing. This is part of your grade, and it will negatively affect you if you do not log anything or wait to the last minute. So to log your hours, you're going to go to Journal, and then you're going to go to Time in Your Projects and Experiences. You're going to select the date. You can backdate if you want. So if Andrea worked on her project on Thursday the 18th, she can go in there. She can click AgEcon Greenhouse Project. You have to select a skill area. It doesn't really matter. I would say most of them are probably going to be under Ag Business, so just select one. It really doesn't matter too much for me right now. If she spent an hour on it, 1 hour and 5 minutes, she's going to say, today we worked on our team plan and slogan. That works. That's all you need to do. And then hit save or save and enter another. For me, I'm just going to hit save because that's the only one I want to enter right now. And then to confirm that it went through, you are going to click on, and you don't have to do this right now if you don't want, but you can click on review your journal entries at any time, and it will confirm that you have indeed put 1 hour in. Okay. You can always edit or delete an entry as well by clicking on the edit button. I hope this makes sense, and if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. By the end of the day today, I should be able to log into your AET and see that you have set up your profile, that you have set up an experience, and that you have some journal entries in there from the past couple of days to tell me what you've been doing from home or with your group mates when you were in class. Thank you so much. Stay healthy and stay safe, and I look forward to seeing each of you in class soon.